Hey everyone, in this video, I'm sharing quick design tips to make your Shopify store look professional and convert more visitors, even if you're just starting out. First, pick a clean, responsive theme from the Shopify theme store. Choose something simple that matches your brand style and looks great on both desktop and mobile. A clutter-free design makes it easier for customers to navigate and shop. Next, use high quality photos for your products and banners. Blurry or inconsistent images can make your store look unprofessional. Stick to a consistent size and style for all your photos so your site feels cohesive. Keep your color scheme and fonts simple and easy to read. Two or three main colors and one or two fonts are usually enough to create a strong, consistent look without overwhelming your visitors. Make sure your navigation is straightforward. Use clear menu names and avoid too many drop downs. A confusing menu can frustrate customers and cause them to leave without buying. Lastly, highlight trust signals like customer reviews, secure checkout badges, and clear shipping or return policies on your homepage or product pages to build credibility with first time visitors. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify tutorials to help you build a successful store.